see, we're going through the whole aircraft. Be careful with the old antennas, the edges. Be gentle with the machine. As you've seen, I just let it go with the flow. Let it work out with the only weight. And I'm not going to get tired of saying, please, get trained. Don't do this work without being trained before. Otherwise, you're going to mess up the aircraft and you're going to cause damage to your image. Make sure that you have a nice, also professional, experienced detailer that can taught you the proper methods to use for polishing. So, see you later.